In this video, which is the fourth and final video of the SolidWorks sketching series, we are going to be looking at the various states of definition of a SolidWorks sketch. So if you've landed directly on this video, I would definitely recommend heading back and watching the previous 3 videos first, which introduced sketching, looked at the different tools available to create a sketch, and also explained how to add sketch relations and dimensions. So as I've been working through this sketch, you may have noticed that the colours of the sketch entities have been changing. When a sketch is initially created, all of the entities will be blue. As more information is added to the sketch, such as sketch relations and dimensions, the entities start changing colour to black. This happens as the sketch becomes fully defined. Blue indicates underdefined, which means SolidWorks needs more information in order to know exactly where and what size the entities should be. Black indicates fully defined, meaning SolidWorks knows exactly where each entity should be and also what size. The aim is to make every sketch fully defined, meaning SolidWorks knows exactly where each sketch entity is positioned and exactly what size it should be, and this is achieved using sketch relations and dimensions. As well as the colour of the sketch lines, there are also some other indicators within SolidWorks that display whether a sketch is defined. The sketch you are currently working in is displayed in the Feature Manager on the left-hand side. If this sketch has a minus or negative sign before its name, this is letting you know that the sketch is underdefined. If no minus sign is shown, the sketch is defined and has all the information required. On the status bar at the bottom of the viewport, there is also an area which states the level of definition too. So this sketch is defined. I can tell this because all of the entities are black, there is no minus sign in the Feature Manager, and it states fully defined in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If a dimension is now removed, and maybe a sketch relation too, a few of the entities become blue. A minus sign appears next to the sketch in the Feature Manager, and the bottom right hand of the screen now displays underdefined. There is also a third state of definition, and this is called overdefined. When a sketch is overdefined, the indicators change. The colours of the sketch entities will turn either yellow or red, along with the sketch relation boxes, and the bottom right hand corner of the status bar will display overdefined, with a warning or error sign. The sketch name itself does not automatically change whilst still inside the sketch, but if the sketch is accepted, a plus sign will appear and the colour of the sketch name in the Feature Manager will be displayed as yellow. This will be the case until the items overdefining the sketch are removed. It's important to note that a sketch can become overdefined without ever having to be fully defined. For example, a single line which has both horizontal and vertical relations applied to it would be classed as overdefined. Removing one of those relations would remove the overdefinition, but the sketch would return to being underdefined. This is because there is no dimension defining the length. Whilst learning SolidWorks, it can be difficult to understand exactly why a sketch has become overdefined, but there are some useful built-in tools to help. Clicking the overdefined warning in the bottom right will prompt the Sketch Expert tool. This tool will help to diagnose the problem with the sketch and offer solutions to remove the overdefinition. It does a good job when a sketch is reasonably simple, but you will find that on more complex sketches, it is less likely to be able to fix the problems for you. There are a number of different sketch relations and a variety of ways of adding dimensions to a SolidWorks sketch, and because of this, issues with definition do appear quite often. The best way to learn how to overcome these is to practice. Get comfortable with the different types of relation and the different ways of adding dimensions. So that brings us to the end of the video and the end of the series. I hope it's been useful. If you're continuing with your SolidWorks journey, make sure to check out our other videos and mini-series too. And if you need to create marketing material and assembly instructions, why not try Cadassio? Turn your SolidWorks files into interactive 3D presentations that you can share online. Sign up today and try for free at cadassio.com.